Hello everyone and welcome to my bathroom. Today guys, we are gonna have a little bit of fun in quarantine and I am going to be waxing my eyebrows. They are pretty messy if you can see. I also have some peach fuzz here that I would like to take off. So we're gonna be doing that today. I thought it'd be a fun video. Hopefully I don't screw up my eyebrows. And I'm also gonna be doing like a little mini product review for this. It's the Hansen hair remover wax strip kit. I've never used it before. My mom gave it to me because she said she didn't really like it, so we'll see how it goes for me. I'm not sure if it's gonna go great, but yeah, just a fun video. I thought we could kind of chat about quarantine, about how everybody's doing, and wax my eyebrows at the same time, and hopefully this will be entertaining for you guys. Let's do this thing. It's been a very long time since I have had my eyebrows waxed professionally. The last time I got them done professionally was before my wedding, which was 2 years ago. And the reason I stopped going was because when I went like maybe 3 days before my wedding. I went to the European Waxing Center, I believe is what it's called, and I went to them like many times before and they were always fine, but for some reason during that time, which was right before my wedding unfortunately, I left, and like the next day and the day after I just started getting covered in these like ingrown hair bumps like all over my eyebrows. And luckily I couldn't tell at my wedding because I had like a lot of makeup on obviously, but it was like super painful. And so I haven't been back unfortunately, so I've kind of just been plucking because I feel like my eyebrows don't have like the best shape right now. I really do need to go get them done professionally. I've just been plucking and that's pretty much it. So this is all my natural skin as well. I'm still trying to work on my acne scars. I didn't put on any makeup today, as you can probably tell. But yeah, so that's kind of the plan. Now I just ran into my light. And then I randomly got this like freckle right here like a couple of weeks ago. It's so random. I thought it was because like I was putting on my mascara and it left like a mark, but I've tried wiping it off so many times and it's literally on my skin. So new freckle, I guess. Okay, so here's the instructions. It says, important. Before peeling apart, rub Hansen wax strips between your hands to warm the wax. Alrighty, so we're gonna do that. So for face, brows, and bikini area.
Wash area where hair is to be removed with soap and water, thoroughly pat dry. Warm wax by rubbing strips briefly and gently between your hands. Determine direction of hair growth before applying wax strip. Press on wax strip firmly in the direction of hair growth. Hold skin taut with one hand. With the other hand, pull wax strip off in opposite direction of hair growth. Keep your hand as close to the skin as possible. If the strip is peeled too slowly, wax will remain on skin and hair will not come off. Immediately apply firm pressure to the wax area with fingertips or the palm of your hand to reduce reddening. Repeat steps 1 to 5 until the area is free of hair.
Okay, so what is this? Finishing oil. Okay, so this goes on after, I guess. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Okay, I think I might need scissors. So this is what the strips look like. Like I said, I have never used this before. A little nervous. There's quite a bit in the pack though, so that's good. It seems like this could last a long time. I don't know how much my mom paid for this, so I can't really tell you if it's worth the money. I'm gonna need my mirror to do this. So I'm heating it up. It doesn't really say how long. Warm strips, rub them between your hands to warm the wax. Okay, that's all it really says. So we'll see how this goes. I think I'm gonna do simple first and just do like my middle here. There's not a lot of hair, so hopefully, let me turn this down a little so you can see. There's like not a lot of hair there, so hopefully I don't screw anything up with this first trial. How do I peel this? Nala. Oh shoot. It's so sticky. I thought it was like a thing that you like peel off and put on, but it's like on both pieces of paper. Okay, this is just becoming a disaster. My hands are sticky. Here we go. This seems like almost too thick. This is what it looks like. Okay, so hold skin towel with one hand, with the other hand pull off wax strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. So my hair grows up It doesn't say you have to leave it on. It just says that you press it on firmly and then pull it off. So I guess I can do it now. Let's see. Oh wow, that worked a lot. I don't know if you can really see it. If I can get the camera to focus. It's clear, so I don't know if it will. There's quite a bit on there. I'm pretty impressed. There's definitely some loose hairs, so I'm assuming I'm just gonna probably get those with tweezers, so seems pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna use the other one. What did I do with the other half? Let's do my peach fuzz. I look like a turtle. Okay, here we go. I'm a little scared. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, that hurt. But it worked. Maybe if I hold it flat, you can see like them standing up, all the hairs. Not really. Just trust me when I say, I'm liking this thing. I still see like a little bit in my mirror, like right here. This is like my problem area for peach fuzz, is like this corner. Don't know if the same wax will work, probably not. I don't think so because I pulled it a little bit slow, but that's okay. I can go back in and fix it later. This is what I usually use for peaches. It works really well. I got this from Amazon, by the way, this thingamajig, and I really love it. It's really good for like the little like clear hairs that are like around your face, not clear, but like blonde, I guess. Like peach fuzz on my cheeks too, because I feel like my makeup really gets really caked in there when I have like peach fuzz, so it helps. So I really like it. But this wax seems to work pretty well as well, so maybe this will be one of my new favorites. I need to find out how much it costs before I start buying a lot of this. I'm guessing it's not that expensive though, because it's Sally Hansen. Okay, here we go, other side. Oh, this one is long. I think I grabbed like one that was long instead of like a short one. Oh shoot, it's on my nose. I'm gonna screw this up right now. I can already feel it. Okay. Oh gosh, I'm scared with my nose. Okay, ready? I don't think this one's gonna work. It's too long. I think this is like a bikini one, or maybe for the legs. Oh, people do it on the tummy too. Okay, ready? Oh, freaking hurt. It worked though. You can see like all those dots. That's all hair. Crazy. I can see them standing up too, which is cool. Does anybody else really enjoy when you do like a pore strip, looking at all the blackheads that come out? That is like my favorite thing ever. Blake's too. The lip, looking pretty good. There's definitely still some hairs on here that I think were missed, so I'll probably go back and get like the few that are like right on my lip. Let's just take care of that. I don't know if it's gonna come off because it's kind of sticky. Yeah, it's sticky, so I'm probably gonna have to wash my face after this and then go back and get the little baby hairs. So I'm really happy that I got the majority of them. Okay, I'm kind of concerned about what to do with this one since I pulled a really big, oh wait, well, never mind. I stuck it to the paper by accident, so I guess I don't really have to worry. All right, let's do a smaller piece for my eyebrows. All right, time for the eyebrows. I'm very scared. I should probably do the top first, because this one's just not gonna give me a lot of shape though. So I feel like this one's really just for pulling off extra hair, and then I'm gonna have to shape it with my tweezers because they're squares. So It's not like they really can shape the eyebrow a ton, you know? You know what I mean? All right, we're gonna put it underneath. Like, this is still really big and I'm very scared. It's like so big for like this little piece right here. All right, here we go. I'm very scared. All right, now, oh, I just broke my mirror. Why are my lips like that? That's when you know I'm scared. Okay. This one's gonna freaking hurt. This one was always the worst. Whenever I got my eyebrows waxed was this spot right underneath. Okay, you can see that I did not do my actual eyebrow, so hopefully I don't destroy my eyebrow right now. I'm scared. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, that worked really well. You can see on the end here, it's not focusing, but if you could see, there's like a ton of eyebrow hair right along the edge, those like black lines. So it definitely pulled out like a ton. I'm pretty happy with that. Nice. That worked super good. There's like a couple baby ones that I need to go in. I need to go back in and like shape it a little more. But I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Okay, so we're done with that one. Now I have the other one for the other side. I'm gonna try to take a thumbnail with this one. I also have like the weirdest shaped eyebrows. Like they aren't very long. Look at my eye. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. This one seemed to work pretty good too. It's super sticky, which I don't like afterwards. So I'm gonna grab a wet wipe and kind of wipe it down. It's because it's like, you know, like hot wax, like it sticks to you, but then once you take it off, you're not like sticky anymore. I feel like this is like really sticky after. Okay, I think I screwed this one up. I don't know why there's like a black line. I think I just might have pulled off too much. Good thing I'm in quarantine the next few days, you know what I mean? It's like a weird line. Can you see that? I don't know what I did wrong. I think I just need to pluck some and give my eyebrows some shape again, because it's like going like this. And this one ends here. And I'm very confused why it looks like that. I feel like I didn't have hair here when we started. I don't even know. Okay, so now that I've done the majority of the waxing that I can do, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon tweezers, my very favorite, and I'm just gonna do some shaping. So yeah. I also have some like super long eyelashes, or not eyelashes, eyebrows. So I like to cut mine with like some nail scissors. So I basically like fan them up and just clip the ends. Any eyebrow waxers out there are probably like cursing me right now for doing this. I know it's not bad. It's bad. It's bad. But I can't help it. I have the longest eyebrow hairs ever and it drives me crazy because they're always like bent and stuff and they look cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I definitely screwed this eyebrow up. I think I pulled off too much hair like right here in the middle. So that's not great. Luckily I'm in quarantine for the next few days, so it'll grow back. I definitely messed this one up. This one looks good. This one I pulled off way too much. But you know, I'm just gonna roll with it and hope that it grows back before I go back to work. And yeah, I'm just putting on this finishing oil now because it's starting to burn a little bit where I put the waxing strips. So I'm gonna heal my skin up. And this is the finished product. So if you watch any of my future videos, now you'll know the behind the scenes of the fact that I will probably be wearing like some eyeliner to blend my eyebrows in the next couple of weeks until they grow back. But I don't think it looks that bad, so whatever. One time in the 7th grade, I accidentally shaved off half of my eyebrow like this. So I feel like I'm not really fazed by eyebrow, what's the word, mishaps anymore. So hey, what can you do? My review of the Sally Hansen wax strips, I really like them, honestly. Like, they pulled off a lot more hair than I was expecting since it's not like hot wax, so I'm really happy with that. My biggest complaint is that they don't have like any shapes to them. They're like rectangles, so I feel like with this I kind of screwed it up because it wasn't like going like, you know, it was just like, so I feel like that is probably my biggest complaint, but it doesn't feel like that painful. Like, I can definitely feel like I just waxed, but it doesn't feel like I'm gonna get any ingrown hairs, so we'll see how that goes. I am a little itchy because I think I have like little baby hairs falling everywhere from my eyebrows. And yeah, I guess that's all I have to say about that. So if you want to check it out, hopefully it's on Amazon or something. Maybe Sally Hansen is still shipping right now, but I'll be probably using this until I get out of quarantine. And I honestly don't do my eyebrows that often. It's pretty bad. I do them like once every few months, if that. So yeah, I will wait for my eyebrow hairs to grow back and hopefully they'll be picture perfect. I'll just take my selfies from this side. And then hopefully nobody will see that this eyebrow is atrocious. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you got a little laugh out of it. And I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy in quarantine. And I will see you on Thursday with our last Nashville vlog. Bye!